back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
RL still searching for his first win on the year. As now the lights are out on the Speedway. Can RL get it done tonight from the pole? Aiden Meade driving his granddaddy's number 3 car. Can he get it done? How about Matthew Hamilton or Mike Ayers from row 2? As we'll find out right now as green flag is out for your pure stock feature tonight. RL Tyree gets a good jump right there as Matthew Hamilton now to the inside. And caution as track officials did not like that start, so we will rack them and stack them one more time and go green flag next time by. So RL Tyree and Aiden Meade going down the backstretch. Matthew Hamilton, Mike Ayers, Braddock Pruitt, Braddock Wheeler, Jacob McCormick, and the 241 of Andy Hunt is your 8 cars for tonight's pure stock. 25 laps. They'll be door to door coming to that red flag out of turn 4. That much better start. Green flag is waving, and we're going racing in the pure stocks. They go into turn 1. RL takes the early lead. Here comes Mike Ayers on the outside. He gets a good run down the backstretch. He'll take third away from Matthew Hampton. Aiden Meade now on the back bumper of your leader as Jacob McCormick now drives it in deep, and he's going to make contact with Pruitt, and he goes around. And we got a caution right off the jump before we complete a lap, so it'll be a complete restart. RL Tyree, Aiden Meade. Matthew Hamilton would really like to get a win. Mike Ayers, I know, would really like to get a win. He's been on and off this year, battling issues with that race car. And green flag will wave. Go into turn 1. RL Tyree drives it in. He'll hold it right there in the middle. He will go down the backstretch as your leader. Here comes Mike Ayers on the outside. Battle for 3rd. Pruitt now in 5th. Jacob McCormick now works to the inside of Braddock Wheeler. As your first lap leader will be the RL machine, RL Tyree. Aiden Meade now sits 2nd. Mike Ayers way up the racetrack. He's going to get a good run. He'll get 3rd. Here comes Matthew Hamilton. He is in 4th. Jacob Hampton now works her to the inside of Pruitt. He'll take 5th away. Here comes last year's track champion. He's moving up through the field. He's already up to 5th in just 2 laps. He now looks to the inside of Hamilton. Can he make it work as they go down the backstretch? That's the best battle on the track right now between the 22 and the 08. Still, Robert Tyree is your leader. Aiden Meade sitting comfortably in 2nd now. The 66 on Mike Ayers now comfortably in 3rd. Matthew Hamilton holding on to 4th as now Jacob looks to the inside. Great battle between those 2 drivers. As 4 laps are in the books. RL Tyree looking for that win here in 2025. Now we come in for 5 laps in the books. Robert Tyree sitting with about a 3-car length lead over the 3 of Aiden Meade. Mike Ayers working the top of the racetrack, trying to catch momentum to catch up to your leaders. Jacob McCormick now starting to slip away, slip behind the 22 of Hamilton. Aiden Meade now not too far off of your leader of RL Tyree. 6 laps are in the books. Aiden now closes in on your leader as RL was working himself through those bumps right there in 3 and 4. 7 laps in the books. RL has the option to restart anywhere from that green leaf flag to the red one out of turn 4. Aiden Meade on the back bumper as RL will get on the throttle. We're back to green flag racing. 12 laps in the books, 13 to go. 08 looks to the inside of Hamilton, try to take away that 4th spot. As Robert Tyree throws it into 3 and 4. He'll come out of turn 4, still your leader. A to me now closes in on the back bumper of your leader. RL sticking it right there in the middle of 1 and 2. Goes down the backstretch. And we got caution as the 18W of Braddock Wheeler loops it and comes to a rest in between 1 and 2. And we're back to green flag. As RL Tyree, 7 laps to go in this feature, 20-lap feature. Aiden Mead now is trying to get around the 11 of Tyree. Jacob McCormick still working to the inside of the 22 of Matthew Hampton as they go down the back stretch. McCormick will throw it in there. He'll keep it on the bottom of the racetrack. 3-car battle now as McCormick slips coming out of 4. That's going to allow the Pruitt machine of Braddock Pruitt to take away that spot as there might be a tire going down on the 08. Now Pruitt looks to the back bumper of Hamilton. The 08's got a right front that's tucked up underneath of the sheet metal there. He's done broke a caliper. Or something has gone bad on that 08 machine. He's sitting awfully crooked as he comes around. As the laps are winding down, we got 5 laps to go. Jacob's holding on to that race car, but something is definitely broken that right front.
Yeah, finally figured out that issue, so let me know how it sounds down there at Victory Lane. JD is on his way.
All right, thank you, Peter. Yeah, I will do.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Robert Tyree, gonna be your winner here for the Pure Stocks and Natural Bridge Speedway.